YouTube.
Hello, YouTube subscriber peoples.
Yeah.
This ain't a Beamer today. This is EJ25.
Right? And you're at Bono's shop.
All right, yeah.
Bono's Subaru today.
We're building Subies today, boys.
It's raining Subies. I just finished fulfilling the short block and put the pistons in, and they are locked in place with the snap rings. And we are now ready to move into making the long block, which we're going to do the oil pan as well as putting the heads on. I've had the heads machined. They had to sit for a little while, so it could be 312 millimeters. That's the dirty one of the two. On this side, and actually, they're halfway up on this side. If we put it on loosely, then I can just sort of tuck it in, and then we can, torque it down, you know?
You can just pull it back.
Yeah, pull it back a little bit and push it in. There we go, one there. Okay, next we're going to put our water mounts, and he's going to torque it down to 30. You get somebody calling you?
Huh?
What's that sound?
Oh, it's me starting and stopping the recording.
Oh,
Hopefully they don't snap.
yeah, I'm hoping so too. I don't want any snapping.
It's a 210.
This way. 210 millimeters, small ones, right? Okay, what's next? We're doing the oil pan. Did you get that? What? Oh, right. Yeah, that would have sucked.
Oh, are you sure this is how you torque your bolster?
This is not how you're supposed to do it. And it's, which was this one or was